When we met with Sage Intacct, their executive team sounded just like our executive team with the customer for life mentality, and it was really important for us to find a partnership in our selection, not just someone who is just going to be with us briefly, but to help us scale our business. I'm Lauren Zielinski, and my role is the Director of Finance. Before Sage Intacct, we had a bunch of unique chart of accounts and different systems, none of which talk to each other, making processes very complex to work with. We hired a software selection consultant and went through limiting down to a cloud-based solution. And we did a big demo. A group of us went out and met with the C-suite to kind of gauge what kind of culture it is, what they could offer us.
When we first came to visit Sage Intacct, we felt like we aligned very closely with their culture and their values. The way that they viewed their customer for life was very similar to how we viewed our relationship with our customers.
IT and finance really became partners through the adoption of Sage Intacct. It was one of the largest endeavors that sort of our company had gone through in terms of a software implementation. It was cross-functional, it was cross-business units, just really a massive undertaking. Folks both from IT and from finance really emerged to sort of form a common bond around that goal of implementing Sage Intacct.
And what we have now, having adopted Sage Intacct across all our businesses, is really a common language, because what brings us together is a common tool to solve some of these problems. So instead of going to 7 different groups who have different practices, we're now able to come together.
Well, for most of my accounting career in 25 years, month end always meant staying late, ordering pizza for the accounting group, and getting the books closed. And I'm happy to report that my group keeps normal, regular business hours even at month end.
With Sage Intacct, consolidations has become much easier. If there's a problem and something isn't balancing, rather than having to go and find a person and have them go in their individual system, we can actually go in ourselves, and the visibility makes it much easier.
I love the dashboard feature in Sage Intacct. I have a 3-month balance sheet, 3-month income statement that shows up on as my dashboard that I just click through all day long. I find it so easy to get around in and find the answers so quickly and easily.